Scaffolding and support are terms often used in education to describe different methods of helping students learn and achieve their goals. While they are related concepts, they have distinct characteristics and applications. Scaffolding is a teaching method that involves providing temporary support to students as they learn new concepts or skills. This support is gradually removed as students become more proficient, allowing them to achieve independence in their learning. The support is designed to be gradually removed as the learner's abilities increase. It involves a planned sequence of steps or strategies that build upon each other. Scaffolding is responsive to the learner's needs, with adjustments made based on their progress. It focuses on helping students reach higher levels of understanding or skill than they could achieve on their own. Examples of scaffolding include breaking down complex tasks into smaller, manageable parts, providing hints or prompts to guide students towards the solution, using visual aids, models, or demonstrations to illustrate concepts, gradually increasing the difficulty of tasks as students become more competent. Scaffolding is based on Vygotsky's concept of the zone of proximal development, which is the difference between what a learner can do without help and what they can achieve with guidance and encouragement from a skilled partner. Support, in the educational context, refers to any assistance provided to help students succeed in their learning. Unlike scaffolding, support can be ongoing and does not necessarily have to be removed as the student progresses. Support can be provided as long as the student needs it. It encompasses a wide range of assistance, including emotional, social, and academic help. Support does not need to change dynamically based on the student's development. It's not always tailored to specific tasks, but can be more general in nature. Examples of support include providing access to resources such as tutoring, extra materials, or learning tools, offering emotional encouragement and positive reinforcement, creating an inclusive classroom environment that accommodates diverse learning needs, regularly checking in with students to monitor their progress and provide feedback. Support can be aligned with Maslow's hierarchy of needs, where students require a stable foundation of physical and emotional well-being to achieve higher levels of academic success. Scaffolding is intended to be removed once the student becomes proficient, while support can be provided as long as necessary. Scaffolding involves a specific sequence of steps tailored to the learning task, whereas support can include a wide range of assistance, not necessarily structured. Scaffolding is adjusted based on the learner's progress, while support can remain consistent. Scaffolding is task-specific and developmental, while support can address broader needs and is not always tied to a specific learning outcome. By understanding these differences, educators can more effectively employ both scaffolding and support to enhance student learning and development.